Hello everyone. Today, I'm Bob the Train. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train car. Let's go to Ride Along City Adventure. It's time to go. All aboard! All aboard to Ride Along City Adventure.
Hola, soy Dora, and this is my mommy.
Hola!
We're going to the big city to see the carnival, El Carnaval. Will you come with us? Great!
We have to figure out how to get to the big city carnival.
Let's ask Map. Map says first we have to go past the ducks, then over the train tracks, and then across the bridge to get to the big city carnival.
Come on, Dora. Let's go.
Okay, Mommy. Vámonos!
All aboard.
Seatbelts, so we can be safe.
Toot toot.
Look! Baby ducks! Los patitos!
Those baby ducks are blocking the road.
We have to clear the road by getting each baby duck to its mommy. Click on the baby duck, then click on the mommy that matches it. Good job! You're great at matching. Excelente! Yay! The baby ducks are out of the road. Now we can go.
Let's go. Uh-oh.
Look, a train is blocking the road.
It's Azul. He lost his balloons. Los globos. We need to help Azul get his balloons back for the carnival. Each of Azul's train cars has a number on it. Put the right number of balloons into each car. Keep adding. Keep counting. You need to add more balloons. Keep adding. You got all the balloons. Now we can go.
Choo choo.
Dora, look. The bridge is broken.
We have to put the bridge El Puente back together so we can cross. The sign will show you where the pieces belong.
Yellow. Green.
Good job.
Purple. Brown.
You're great at reading signs.
How about red?
The sign will show you where the pieces belong. Try again.
Oh no.
Look at the sign to know where the pieces go. Keep trying.
Keep.
Try a different piece.
That's,
Try again.
that's impossible.
Look at the sign to know where the pieces go. Great matching.
Blue.
The
Red.
sign will show you where the pieces belong. We did it.
Let's go.
Now we can cross the bridge.
Hey, wait for me. What's that?
A red light. Una luz roja. That means we have to stop.
Uh-oh. I think I hear Swiper.
Uh-oh. What are you doing?
Oh no! Swiper swiped our tires. Click on each tire you find. One
One.
tire. Una llanta.
2,
Three
three,
tires.
4.
Tres llantas.
Finish.
Oh man! You did it! You found all the tires. Now we can go to the big city carnival.
Let's go. Silence, says Spencer.
We did it! Thanks for helping us get to the big city carnival.
Fun. Fantastical!
We have arrived for carnival. Remember, take all your belongings to exit to the right. Please remain seated. I'm Bob the train. Please remember, ready complete to stop and get off the train. Watch your step the platform. And also remember, please come back real again soon. And please mind the platform gap. Have a good weekend. That's all now, folks. Thank you for watching and see you next time.